Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you the engine start procedure for the Cessna 172R model. And the Cessna 172R I'm using here is modeled by A2A Simulations, and if you are looking for a high quality flight simulator add-ons, this is the one. Without further ado, let's get started. Before selecting the master switch to on, I need to do some checks, starting with the parking brake on, avionics switch off, magnetos off. Now I can safely enable the electrical power to the system by selecting the master switch on. Fuel cutoff control set to on, fuel selector both, throttle control opened a quarter of inch, mixture control pulled full out to idle cutoff, beacon on, fuel pump on. The fuel pump sound is confirming that the fuel pump is running. Mixture set to full rich. The fuel flow will start rising, then stabilize. As soon as it stabilizes, I set the mixture to idle cutoff. Then I turn off the fuel pump. Now I select and hold the magnetos to start position. Simultaneously, I apply a steady push on the mixture control to full reach. After a successful engine start, using my throttle control, I adjust the RPM to 1000. Oil pressure is checked green. Amp meter positive. Now I can select the avionic switch on. And this completes the Cessna 172R engine start procedure. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.